Hi guys, welcome back to UpIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to manage your TikTok drafts. We're going to head on over to our profiles page, and here we'll see that I am at my home page. Now if I had posts already up on TikTok, this is where all my posts would be populated, but right now I only have videos in my drafts, and I only have 3 videos right now in my drafts. So for me to manage my drafts or manage the space, I simply tap on drafts and I open up the 3 videos that I have. This tallies the megabytes that's in my drafts. Everything that's in your drafts, it is not visible when someone comes to your profile. Only you see them. The only time someone sees your draft is when you hit upload. In this case, I'm not trying to make a post right now. So for me to delete, all I have to do is tap on select at the top right corner of my screen, and it will allow me to select 1 or 2 or all these videos. A simple way to do this is to hold down on either video and it immediately selects one for you, and you can also select all the others. One last option is after you tap select, you can choose select all at the top left corner of your screen, and all of them are selected, and you simply hit delete. And this is asking you if you're certain that you want to delete all 3 of your drafts, and once you're certain, you hit delete. If not, you hit keep. In my case, I'm gonna delete. And that is it. That is how you manage your TikTok drafts.